Yeah, hi everyone. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you about how to generate random numbers in Java. So before moving to the next, first I would like to say about the random number, as we all are familiar about the random number. If someone of you are not familiar, then wait for a minute, you will get to know the things. But while taking the name random number, what the things coming into your mind? Tell me that. Random number means what? The number which we will get is generated by the system randomly. Means what? It's not a predefined at all. Predefined means what? It's not known to me or not known to all of us. It is random means what? It is generated by the system, that is by default. Even though in some cases system is generating numbers in systematic form, systematic manner, means what? In the sequence manner, one after two, then three, then four. But in our project, the main aim is what? Random number. The name of that project is what? Random number means what? Number which will get generated randomly. It will get generated by the system, but that number will be what? Random number. Are you getting my point? Now talking about where this random number we required. Actually, basically my background is completely technical background, and I am a computer science engineer. I have done diploma, means what? A junior engineer, as well as I am senior engineer. I have done BTech. Along with that, I would have done master degree also in the computer science. So master degree in computer science. Along with that, sorry, I don't want to take the more time, but along with that I want to say that I would have worked in software companies as a software means what? Java developer. I don't have complete 1 year of experience in Java development, but total I have the experience of 1.4 years or more. 1.4 years I have the experience in the software company, and in the Java development I do have the experience of 6 to 8 months. So let me tell you about this project. So in which cases we require this random number, correct or not? Because until and unless we know the usage of the random number, why should we learn that? That is the question. Are you getting my point? So if we know the importance, if we know the importance of this random number, definitely we'll invest our time to learn this random number. Correct or not? So let me tell you where this random number we are going to use in our project in software development. So random numbers required in case if we are doing what? Registrations over the website, means over the web browser, using the web browser and internet. You will do registration, but registration, what is the need to do the registration? In certain cases, like suppose if you are doing online, because nowadays everything is in online, correct or not? So online means what? Why remotely? If you are trying to book train ticket. Suppose if you want to book the train ticket, getting my point. In that case, first you would have to log in into your account, IRCTC or any other account. You would have to log in definitely. After login only you are in a position to do the booking, getting my point or not. In some cases, some scenario over there, suppose if you would have forgotten your either user ID or password. In that case, what will happen? You are not in a position to do the login into your account, and accordingly you can't book your tickets, getting my point. But if we don't know login ID and password, in that case, is it okay to leave that account as it is and never use that account again and again? No. Question is what? Answer is what? No. Why? There should be an alternative, because while generating or creating the account, we have given our email ID as well as the mobile numbers, right or not? Yes. Means what? On the same platform, if you try to create another account, you would have to give the mobile ID as well as email ID also, getting my point. So if you are having multiple email ID and multiple mobile number, then you can do, but everyone are not having the same nowadays, getting my point or not. So suppose so in that cases, suppose if you would have forgotten your account details, you are not in a position to log in over here, getting my point. But it is not the solution to leave that account as it is, correct or not? We must have an alternative way to do the login. But how we can do that? So for that, software development team has given the facility to the end users, like forget password or reset password or forget password or forgotten user ID. In that cases, if you will click on that forget password, means what? that will send you on another page. Or if you will like click on the forget password, you will be having one option over there. It would be mentioned that write your registered email ID or mobile number. They will be asking you, correct or not? Suppose if you have, so if you will be giving your mobile number in that box, after clicking on that, do you know what the result will come? An OTP will be generated by that software application, and it will send to your registered mobile number within a and that will be the OTP validation will be for some limited time period, getting my point. Suppose within that time period, if you would not have given it inside, if you would not have validated your OTP, that OTP will get expire, and if again you will click on generate OTP, you will get this OTP again, but that OTP will be different. Each and every time you will click on generate OTP, every time you will be getting different OTP number. Do you know in the backend how that number is getting generated? That number is getting generated by the using that random function, that is called what? Random number. So those, how to generate those kind of random numbers, in this project we are going to learn. Are you getting my point? In cases, suppose I think everyone nowadays, maximum people nowadays are using their email ID, correct, to send some important email somewhere in their contact or in their network, getting my point. In that cases, suppose if you would have done the same thing, you would have forgotten your credential, and suppose you don't have any backup at your hand. In that case, what will happen? what will happen? Do you know that? In the same cases, we will do the same thing. Forgetting password, will enter either another backup email ID or registered mobile number. It will generate the random number, will get the random number, will verify, and will have the reset options, and we can again create our new password. Are you getting my point? In this scenario, random number generation required. Now, so it's going to be long, so we'll cut it very shortly. So before so simply in this tutorial I am showing you how to generate random numbers, but how to generate the ticket numbers or registration ID I will be showing in the next video. But over here I will be showing you how to generate random numbers, and some important things I will be showing you. All these things I am doing in the using that Java language. The ID which I am using over here, that is Eclipse ID. This Eclipse ID is mainly meant for built for achieving what? Java based application, completing Java based applications. Are you getting my point? Are you getting? Yes. So let me to do that one, we are having a function called random, and if we'll use that random function sorry, it will generate the random number. But where that random function is available, that is the question. Correct or not? It is predefined, pre-built, but that random number is available inside java.lang package, lang package. That lang package we no need to import over here explicitly, because in Eclipse IDE java.lang package is by default enabled. Correct? I will be showing you practically, don't worry. So let me do int random num equal to what? Math dot rand random. Why I am getting error? Because the random number generated by this function random math dot random is what? Their type is what? Double type. But I took a random, I am assigning that double value into the int, so that's where I am getting error during the compile time. What is the error? See, type mismatch, cannot convert from double to int. So is there any solution? Yes, there is solution. Either we can do what? We can make the type of this one as a double, error gone, or we can do typecasting. This one will convert it into the int. That's it. Int compatible. Error gone or not? Yes. After that, let me print it. Your random number is, see, your random number is sorry, due to cold weather I am facing some cough issue, because I am consuming the water tank water, so that's the reason. So let me random random num will be printing this one, and let me save it and let me run it. So run it, and after run, see in the output random number is 0, random number is 0. Why it is telling 0? Because I have converted it into the int format. Always remember, random number generated by the function, it's always generate the number between 0 to 1, means never 1, never 0, in between 0 to 1. But why it is showing 0? Because I have done over here what? Typecast. I have typecasted into the int, means integral value only it will take. floating point value, it will ignore, means it will do the round off by itself. If you want to check that random number, so we have to remove this, we have to take the double, and every time we will be getting, as long as we will run it, see, will see in the output, just you can see 0.778. Let me run it once again. 0.329, see once again 0.910, see, never will get complete 0, never will get complete 1. It will generate random number between 0 to 1 only. Are you getting my point? So this is how we are generating random number in Java. If you want to do the round up, you can do round up also. Suppose this is the random number, so 0 to 1, but you know mathematical calculations, 0 to 1 it is having, but if we'll multiply it by 10, we'll get 1 digit. It will multiply, because this point will shift to the 1 point decimal point next, correct. You will multiply it with 100, 2 digit will be getting, see 100. Now let me run it, 2 digit will be getting, see 22. In other cases, let me run it, 68, see 5, in which case it came 5, came na. Means up to maximum 2 digit it will be printing, but at least 1 digit in there will be, see 10, 36, 96, means up to 100, 1 to 100 it will be printing over here. Are you getting my point? So this is what we would have done, and now, so yeah, so you can, according to your need, if you will multiply it with 1000, up to the 1000 it will be giving you 1 to 1000, say 3 digit, 2 digit also it will give us, 1 digit also it can give us. See the output, 36, 2 digit we got na, yes. So that's how we can generate random number in Java programming. If you would have any query, question, you can ask me in the comment section, or I am giving my WhatsApp number over here, that is my calling number also. Instead of calling, just you can drop a message to me over the WhatsApp. I will be giving you the solution. So my WhatsApp number is what, 7654140885. Getting my point? Thank you. And if it is useful for you, you can like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Definitely in my channel, in my channel, over the channel, I am uploading the videos which are basically related with the Java development or software development related video. I am uploading over there, so you will be getting the concept over here. In future, if you would require anything in Java, you can drop me on message. In core Java, whatever you want to learn, you can just send me message over the WhatsApp. I will be giving you. If you would require to learn complete core Java without any fee, you can just send me on message over the WhatsApp. I will be giving you training online, but you would need to you would require to manage the resources as during to attend my training online. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.